How to install. Remove all accessories. Mounting the mask bracket. Remove the 3 screws. Mounting the mask bracket. Installation of handle bracket. Connection Oxygen Renewal Bubble Pen Handle. Connection Ozone Iodine Handle. Connection for Bipolar Roller Handle. Connection Eye Ultrasound Handle. Connection Facial Ultrasound Handle. Connection Cold Hammer Handle. Connection V-shape Face Lifting Handle. Connection 5-polar microcurrent lifting handle. Place the handles on the stand. Connection Spot Removal Pen Handle. Connection LED Therapy Mask. Connection Micro Needling Pen Handle. Connection Bipolar RF Handle. Connection Ultrasonic Scrubber Handle. Connection Microdermabrasion Handle. Connection Hydrogen Oxygen Sprayer Handle. Connection Aqua Facial Dermabrasion Handle. Connection High Frequency Handle. Place the handles on the stand one after the other. Connect to a power supply and ready to use. Below are 4 bottles labeled or B or C or D. Open the solution caps and pour the solutions into their corresponding bottles. Fill bottle D with pure water. Casters can be controlled. Adjustable language. Aqua Facial Dermabrasion Handle. Choose the corresponding treatment head based on skin type and usage habits, and attach the head to the handle. Start after adjusting the time. On the side of the device there are 4 knobs. First knob, select the corresponding bottle. Second knob, adjust the water flow. Set the flow to maximum initially, then adjust to a comfortable level once water flows. Third knob, adjust the suction strength. The back two are for adjusting the suction power of the handle. Test the suction on your wrist before starting. Bipolar RF Handle. Time. Energy M1 and M2. Start by tapping the screen or handle. Use with facial gel or RF cream. Hydrogen oxygen sprayer handle. Time adjustment. Pour essence water into the transparent bottle. Pull the trigger and wait 10 seconds for mist to spray. Adjust the water flow with the tail knob clockwise to decrease, counterclockwise to increase. V-shape face lifting handle. Time 10 to 15 minutes. Energy M1 and M2. Both electrodes must contact the skin for energy output. Use with gel or essence. Ultrasonic Scrubber Handle. Time 5 to 8 minutes. Energy Start by tapping the screen or handle. Keep the skin moist and move slowly. Note: do not use on dry skin or stay in one spot to avoid burns. Facial ultrasound handle. Time 10 to 15 minutes. Energy M1, M2. Use with essence. Start by tapping the screen or handle. Note: some users may experience mild tinnitus. Cold hammer handle. Time 10 to 15 minutes. Use with gel or essence. Start by tapping the screen or handle. Note: do not block the cooling vents during use. Bipolar microcurrent handle. Time 10 to 15 minutes. Energy Both electrodes must contact the skin for energy output. Use with gel or essence. Bipolar roller handle. Time 10 to 15 minutes. Energy All four electrodes must contact the skin for energy output. Use with gel or essence. Ozone handle. Time adjust based on the treatment area. Energy Start by tapping the screen. Use on acne or post-extraction areas. Eye ultrasound handle. Time 8 to 10 minutes. Energy Use with eye essence. Start by tapping the screen or handle. Note: do not use on the eyeball area. Oxygen Renewal Bubble Pen Handle. Time: 10 to 15 minutes. Levels: use with specialized treatment heads and gel. Microdermabrasion Handle. LED therapy mask. Time: 0 to 30 minutes. Spot Removal Pen Handle. Use with disposable acne needles and treatment heads. Micro Needling Pen Handle. Attach a disposable micro-needling head to the handle. Adjust depth 0 to 5 mm and frequency 1-6 levels. Use with serums or products. High-frequency handle. Choose the appropriate head based on the treatment area. Instrument cleaning. Aqua facial Dermabrasion Handle. Replace the operating head with the cleaning head. Rotate to the D bottle. Set the water output to the maximum. Tap start. Let the D bottle rinse the pipe with pure water for 1-2 minutes. Tap pause. Use a brush to clean the used operating head. Put it in 75% alcohol or alcohol-free disinfectant for 15 minutes. Remove the operating head and filter pads. Clean the used handle with a brush and sterilize it in a sterilizer. Remove the handle, clean and dry. Sterilize with 75% alcohol before use. Wipe the handle with a damp towel. The operating head is a disposable consumable, discarded after use, prohibited from repeated use resulting in cross-contamination. Spot removal pen handle. Remove and clean, then sterilize in the sterilizer. Wipe clean with a damp towel. Wipe dry and sterilize with 75% alcohol before use. The operating head is a disposable consumable, discarded after use, prohibited from repeated use resulting in cross-contamination. Remove the handle, clean and dry it, and sterilize it with 75% alcohol before use. Wipe clean with a damp towel. Wipe dry and sterilize with 75% alcohol before use. Check the rubber ring for damage. If it's damaged, you'll need to replace it with a new one. There are two filters on the side of the instrument. If there is solution inside, you need to pull it out, open the lid, pour it out, clean and dry it, insert it back into the instrument. There are different sizes of adhesive rings for replacing broken rings on the handles.